Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. ChatGPT disrupts everything. How to use and profit from AI in daily life. Although before we start, if you find this video helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you crash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and takes just a split second. If you want to show more appreciation, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Now let's dive right into it. I think you already know about ChatGPT. If you don't know, ChatGPT is a conversational AI language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to text inputs and has the ability to answer questions, carry out conversations, and complete various language tasks. What ChatGPT can be used for? If you can think of something, then ChatGPT can do it. There are some limitations, of course. For example, if you ask it for investing advice, it will refuse to help you, saying that it does not have the ability to provide investment advice. For example, ChatGPT can write tweets for you. Write me a tweet about a funny but true fact about investing. Let's see. Investing in stocks is like trying to predict the weather. You can do research, but Mother Nature or market trends always has the final say. Investing humor, finance fact. Pretty good. You want to make a website, but you don't know coding? No problemo, papi. ChatGPT can write the code for you. Just tell it what to do and boom. Let me give you an example, a short example. Write me an HTML doc with JavaScript code that says hello Alex. Yeah, and boom, you have it. You can also tell ChatGPT to write a book summary. Write me a short book summary with key points of start with why. Start with Why by Simon Sinek is a book about inspiring leadership and the power of having a purpose. The key points of the book are the golden circle, why inspires, the biology of why, the difference between leaders and those who are merely successful, finding your why. It's pretty good, yeah. Boom, you have it. If you are in school, you can use it to learn, do your homework. Take a look at this. You give it a linear equation and it does it for you. For example, and boom, it's done. You can use ChatGPT to write up a rental agreement. Write a 12-month rental agreement between tenant Elon Musk and landlord Joe Biden. Address, rent $1,000 a month starting from 1st of January 2023, and boom, it writes your rental agreement. Brilliant, right? Another thing to know about ChatGPT is that ChatGPT remembers what you asked it before, so you can have a continuous conversation with it. If you don't like something in the answer it gave you, you can tell ChatGPT what you want to change. For example, here, I can change the rent. Change the rent to $1,200. and it will write again the full rental agreement with the new information. It's done. You see, it's changed here the rent. Brilliant, right? You can use ChatGPT to make money. For example, you know about Udemy, this website. It's an online learning and teaching platform where you can find courses about anything you want to learn about. You choose a course, pay for it, and then learn something new. Okay, so why am I telling you this? Because you can have your own online course and make money of it, but you are going to say, I don't know how to do an online course. Here, ChatGPT comes into play. You can ask it to write a course for you. Write me a Udemy course about online marketing. And boom, it writes the course for you. Then you can go into detail and say, go into detail 1 introduction. Now you have a script for your online video course to record and then post on Udemy, and boom, you are making money. What do I think are the general implications of ChatGPT? I think ChatGPT will speed up innovation, will bring costs down for companies, and eventually will bring costs down for customers also. If you use ChatGPT in your company, you essentially have a team on your side. You essentially get the knowledge workforce of a team of employees without having them around, just a chat on your desktop PC that can do most of the tasks you ask it. Cathy Wood used to say that innovation is deflationary, so here it is, in its beginnings, disrupting everything. First thing was software has eaten the world. Now AI, artificial intelligence, will eat all the software. We are living in a fascinating world, aren't we? Tell me in the comments below, how did you use ChatGPT to help you out in your daily life? If you liked this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.